Hello, we're very appreciated for your support on our products. Here, let's see how the machine is installed. This is a control unit, which has 10 interfaces. There are 10 removable plugs that can be connected to the 10 interfaces. The plugs are of 1-to-1 relation with the interfaces. For instance, sine HC01 is on both the number 1 interface and number 1 plug. HC02 is shown on both the number 2 plug and number 2 interface. The red and black wires are electoral wires that are divided into 2 groups. The 2 wires with the same marks of the same group. The upper layer of the laser power supplier is linked to one of the groups, and the lower layer linked to the other. The red positive wire should be connected to the contactor, while the black is linked to the coil. These 5 wires, which include 3 phase cord, 1 null, and 1 ground lead, are power cords of the chiller. They are of 1-to-1 relation with the 5 wires connected to terminal plugs. Finally, connect the 5 power cords, including 3 phase wires, 1 null, and 1 ground lead, the relevant external circuit.